Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do hard reset Vivo U20 smartphone. Okay, first power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold volume up and power key together for few seconds. Now release. Okay, now in this volume rocker is to move up and down and power button to select. Okay, now select recovery mode. You can see it will send you in recovery. Okay, now in this tap on clear data and you can see clear cache and clear all data. Okay, now tap on clear all data and here you can see only phone system data will be cleared, music, photos and other user data will not be deleted. Tap on OK and you can see clearing data, do not operate the device. Okay, so you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return and tap on restart. You can see restart your phone. Tap on OK. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo U20 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.